Hello friends, I was getting lot of queries on how to make custom GPT. So I thought why not make a video on it and explain actually practically what is actually custom GPT. Okay, so, so first of all I want to convey that custom GPT is available only in Plus platform. अगर आप free platform पे हैं तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So पहले you have to buy Plus platform for making custom GPT. Now how we have to make custom GPT, that I'll show you. You will just click here at GPTs. This will open up create. This create is coming in Plus platform. If you have free version of GPT, then this create will not be visible. When we press on this create button, it will come, this will open up. So it will be of two type, either create where you will give a specific instruction to the chat GPT ki what you wish to prepare, and this is the final configuration where you can fine tune your things. So I am trying to make here a GPT to train my nursing staff. So I want to create a GPT to train my nursing staff based on hospital SOPs. So my aim is to create a GPT. I am giving instructions. Now GPT will give instruction on its own. So you can see it is getting updating. It will suggest a name. You may like it or you may not like it. You have liked it, nursing SOPs, trainer. Now it will create a picture which will be showing here. If you wish to get approve it, or you can change it, whatever you wish to like it. So this is the picture. You may okay, or you can ask it to regenerate. Okay. So now practically your custom GPT is ready. So what you want, final configuration, you just click from create to configure. Name you can edit here, nursing SOP trainer जो यहाँ पे आ रहा है इसको change कर सकते हो. You can add your hospital name here. You can change the description which is coming here, train nursing staff using hospital SOP. If you want anything else, you can add it or you can delete it. Okay, this is the final window, instructions. So it itself has created like this GPT is designed to train nursing staff based on a hospital specific SOPs. It delivers accurate, clear and role appropriate guidance on clinical procedures. So if you want to give extra instruction like no internet surfing, it will not show anything else other than your SOP. And if you want to allow, like if something is there which is not there in my SOP, then refer to internet. If you wish to do like this, it will refer to internet. So this is the final version. You can give instruction n number of times for it. Okay. Now these are the conversation starters, which are the most common questions you can edit, like I don't wish to have, can you talk your hand hygiene protocol? If you don't want to do this, just delete this. If you want to add it, hand hygiene protocols, you can add. Okay, and this is the knowledge base which you have to upload. From this upload files, you can upload your SOPs, like I am uploading this AIMS protocol. It is getting uploaded. So I would suggest to upload less number of file to make that custom GPT for specific work. Don't try to कि मैं ये भी डाटा दे दूँ, ये भी डाटा दे दूँ, तो वो specific नहीं रहेगा. So you want कि web पे search करना है तो इसको on रख लो. If you don't want it, you can switch it off. I am putting it switch on. And this additional setting, create new action, is to link APIs. I don't think that we should be doing this. Our work is done with this only. Okay, you have to just here create. this create only me, anyone with link. If you share link with anyone, that person can see the GPT. So I have created here and I am going to share the link in the group, in the description. You can yourself check it and how it is responding, and similarly you can make it for yourself. Okay. So this is nursing SOP trainer which is ready. Now you can ask the question, treatment of hypoglycemia. So now this, my GPT is referring to that part only which I have uploaded, like see AIMS Neonatology Protocol Volume 2. Because some units have the policy that at 50 milligram they have to act. Some units have 40 milligrams. So whatever your policies are, you can help your nursing staff to create GPT for yourself. So this was regarding the how to create GPTs. If you have any question, you can always put in the group or in chat box. Thank you very much.